Hi guys, welcome to Inspired Fingers once more, and today I'm not going to be showing you any chords of any sort. I just want to correct a mindset that I noticed, and like some few weeks back I shared a video of mine on YouTube, and I went through the comment section to check, and I saw this funny comment, and I was like the comment I saw there was like, I'm going to oppress my oppressors this Sunday. And I was like, come on, do you learn the piano to oppress others or to, grow yourself? And I was like wondering. So, what I want to say here is this: please find a better way to inspire yourself. Okay. Like for me personally, what I do is that I learn to grow and also to help others grow. And that's what this channel is all about. So I learn and I grow, and I also help others grow. But if I was just thinking about competition or trying to oppress others or intimidate others, then I wouldn't have gotten this far. Like, it would be so short-lived, because it will just be all about competition. And I can tell you this, that there are a lot of good guys out there. You meet them. I've met lots of good guys on the piano, like very, very good. So you just like all the old stuff that I've been learning to intimidate someone else, like someone else also knows better than me, so you won't be able to keep up with all the whole stuff. So please and please learn to improve yourself. Okay, then as you're improving, help others to learn as well. That's just what works for me, and I think it will work for you, because it's a simple principle that you can use and it will go well. So thank you so much. I don't have much to say. That's just basically it.